5 food that should not be kept in refrigerator overnight. Navigating the kitchen maze of do's and don'ts can be tricky, especially when it comes to storing common foods overnight. Here's a quick guide. 1. Onions. Best kept in cool, dry places, as refrigeration can make them mushy. 2. Cucumbers. Suffer from cold damage in the fridge, leading to spoilage. 3. Coffee. Keep it aromatic and fresh outside the fridge to avoid moisture damage. 4. Potatoes. Storing in the cold converts their starches into sugars, impacting texture and taste. 5. Bread. Avoid the fridge to keep it from drying out and becoming stale faster. Knowing these tips can help keep your staples fresh and tasty longer.